This could either go really well or absolutely horribly wrong. Hello, hope you're well, hope you're good, hope you're Gucci, hope you're fine and dandy. I'm really excited, I'm not going to lie, because today I have made the brave decision of making donuts. I say that questionably. Questionable. You know the word. I say it like that because there is a proving time on this recipe. I'm sorry, the lighting is going to change because the sun hasn't decided yet where it wants to settle. So, you know, if you'd like to make a decision, I would really appreciate it. There is a proving time of 1.5 hours, and I cannot be bothered to wait 1.5 hours. So, we're gonna hope for the best, basically. I can't remember what Fahrenheit I need to put the oven on to, but oh well. I've gotten all the stuff here. Okay, I'm really excited now. There we go. I get to use the stand mixer for this one and I'm really happy about it. I got her for Christmas. She is beauty, she is grace, she is a stand mixer. The only problem is I've been told that I need to use these things, which I think are for bread. But because she comes off and she can be hand used, she doesn't move around, so I have to move this. But the problem is, these touch the bottom of the bowl. So we're just gonna hope for the best. Oh, my arms look really long in that. I have written down, very briefly, the instructions and the ingredients. So we're gonna hope for the best. First things first, it says to mix flour, yeast, sugar and salt together in a stand mixer with a dough hook, which I'm hoping is what that is. I have halved this recipe, by the way. Will I be sieving the flour? Absolutely not. This is just a recipe for disaster, this is. It was 3¼ cups of flour, so I've had to do it as 1½ plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Maths GCSE coming in handy. Salted! Now what? Yeast. We are using Alison's yeast. Shout out Alison. 1 teaspoon and a little bit. Sugar! That's coffee. Sugar? Sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And salt. We don't have any salt. Does that matter? Okay. It's not doing anything! I think I'm gonna have to take her off. Ooh. Oh. Hello? Are you working? I mean, something's happening. Right, so next it says to heat water, milk and butter until it's like warm, I think. Or it's something to do with the butter is melted, so I'm hoping for the best. Like, hob doesn't work, so the gas is on, but you have to like get a match and light it. Fire! Nailed it. I don't know how much milk. How much milk? 1/2 cup of milk! Jesus Christ. 1/2 cup. 2 tablespoons of this. Come on. Otherwise everything's gonna be melted by the time we're gonna imagine that never happened. And the water. Christmas spatula. Why is there a black bit in it? This will be from my mum's beans earlier. You're nasty. We don't have vanilla extract. Oh, I know my arm's really weird that it does that. We don't have vanilla extract, so doesn't matter, I already brought it over. Strawberry extract. Mum burnt her beans! And it's stuck to the bottom of the pan and now it's like not coming off. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, that's done. Right, we're back over here. Reason being is because now I've got to get that liquid in there and I've got to stir it for 2 minutes, and I'm not going to lie, I'm not excited about it. I don't want this! 2 minutes! This doesn't look right. I might just do some of it like this. Trying to like shake it off. What have we learned? I don't think these are dough hooks. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of this dough. Right, whilst I am cleaning up, I'm gonna let this prove, so see you in a bit. Hi! So it's been approximately 5-10 minutes and I'm already really bored. So we're gonna get on with it. Will these rise? More than likely not, you know, but we're going to try anyway. It's quite a sticky mixture, so we're gonna generously pop the flour on. I know you can't see my face, but I'm too tall to get everything in, so. I feel like my height is now my personality trait. Oh, it's so sticky. Ugh. So I'm going to roll this non-risen dough out. Cookie cutters! Trays. We'll do like a medium. I still feel like they should be thicker. That'll be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna redo them. I would fry these instead of oven bake them, but I do not trust myself with hot oil. They look a little bit better. We're gonna have a little dough ball on the end. Right, and these go in the oven for I have no idea how long, but I'm gonna keep checking on them and hope that they are okay. So see you in a minute. Are you surprised if I say they didn't go well? She tiny, she a bit burnt, she not doing good. She tastes okay, but oh well. Well, that's it, that's the end of this video. Can't do much else. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. See you later, bye.